Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll understand how a software works. When you type in Google Facebook.com, what happens behind the scene? Let's dive in and see. When you type www.facebook.com on your Chrome browser in your laptop, what happens? You see an option to create your account, right? Now, where does this page comes from? This page is maintained by Facebook. Facebook has created this page and stored in a big laptop. Let's say we call that laptop a data center. Okay. Now let's see what happens when you type this www.facebook.com in your browser. So when you type www.facebook.com in your browser requests to a service called DNS. DNS is nothing but a service like your phone book. In your phone book, what you do? You keep a name and a number, and you do that for easily because you can easily remember the name, not the number. Number usually a big number. So what you do? You save the number against a name, and when you search for the name, then you get the number. Actually, when you dial or call, it's the number you dial, not the name, but you save the number against the name. Similarly, Facebook software residing in a big laptop called data center, it has a number that is called IP address, but everybody can't remember this big IP address. So what happens? This DNS domain name system, or it keeps the information about the IP address in just like your phone book. It's a map of your domain name and your IP address, and this is maintained by Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Number, ICANN. Okay, so when you type www.facebook.com in your laptop, it goes to the DNS, and DNS returns a IP address. Now you know to which laptop or which computer you have to go. You have the IP address. Now this is the FB data center, and this is the IP address of it. So your request goes to the data center. Now that FB data center returns the page or the form you want to see. When you get the form, what you do? You fill your details, first name, surname, date of birth, username, password, everything you fill. Now what happens is there is some technology to collect this information in a kind of a bucket. It collects all this information to a bucket to easily carry it to the FB data center. And there are different formats in which you can carry this data. One format is XML format, other format is JSON format. So these formats are nothing but your specific way to carry your data to FB data center. Now this is, and to accept this data at the Facebook end, they have written or exposed APIs, application programming interface, and these softwares or APIs have the capability to accept your data. So your data goes to the Facebook API, and then it stores in a software called database. Your information is stored in a database, so that the data is stored reliably, permanently. Next time when you log in, we can fetch your data and show the details you have previously saved. Now this page you are seeing, Facebook create new account, this is called UI, user interface. And the API I told, this is called backend, and this can be written in Java, Python, Node.js. We'll see Java in this course. Similarly, UI can be written in frameworks like React, Angular, and all. And database could be your MySQL, your Oracle, your RDS, MongoDB, Elasticsearch. So this is the whole thing. You have a UI where that is called user interface, where user interacts. Then its data is carried to a thing called API, and those APIs are written in some languages like Java, Python, or Node.js. That is called backend. Then your data is stored in a software called database, and database could be NoSQL DBs like MongoDB, Elasticsearch, Cassandra, or SQL DBs like Oracle, RDS, etc. So that's it for the lecture. Thank you.